Rafaela, taking the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Section 1C. Today, we're diving into a fascinating world of mathematics with a focus on Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. It usually starts with 0 and 1. So, the sequence goes 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. When we say sequence, it is an ordered list of numbers called terms which may have repeated values. Also, Fibonacci sequence is very visible in nature. Example, spiral arrangement of sunflower seeds. Second, the number of petals in a flower. Now, to find more ideas about Fibonacci sequence, I will going to interview 3 random persons. So, morning ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview about the initial sa Fibonacci sequence. Ano yung manusabtan sa Fibonacci sequence? Ano sa yung idea?
Ang Fibonacci
Yes, absolutely ma'am. Pwede ka ma-interview about the initial sa Fibonacci sequence ka na. Why do you think the Fibonacci sequence is important in mathematics?
I think Fibonacci sequence is important in mathematics. Without Fibonacci, we can construct math easily.
Fibonacci sequence is closely connected to the golden ratio. Why? Because of the way the sequence progresses start with two numbers, 0 and 1. So, pwede ka ma-interview. About na sa Fibonacci sequence, can you explain the relationship between the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio?